Hi, today I'm for the OPPO A77s and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to the scanner on the power key button, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint and we'll see how fast this option is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, with a simple touch on the power key button, I'm not pressing it, I just simply touch it. I just unlocked the device successfully without any problems. So as we can see, the fingerprint unlock method works here fast and correct, and we just unlocked the device successfully. That's why I suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the passcode or pin code unlock methods. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.